welcome back to my new video. So in today's video, I'm going to share some cute DIYs. My favorite DIY in this video is a fan. I think I said this before. I want to put flowers and bows on lots of objects. This flower fan will go perfectly with the Chinese Ruqun style Lolita dress. I also decorated a feather fan. I just think the feather color is a bit too dark. The third DIY is I decorated the hanfu. I kind of want to turn this hanfu into Chinese style Lolita dress. Let's start this video. I got a lot of those beautiful flowers. They are valid fake flowers. So this is the fan. I will put two the big flowers and a lot of smaller flowers. Do you guys remember those smaller flowers? I used them to decorate one of my hanfu, and I really love those flowers. They look very pretty, so I want to put them on the fan. I just use hot glue gun and glue everything on. So the first ribbon strap is 30 centimeter and the second ribbon is 35 centimeter, and I made them into a bow. I like this style of ribbon because it's sheer and it's got gold edge. And the third ribbon, cut the ribbon about 50 centimeter. So I will sew those three parts together. Wow, the bow is very pretty. You can also use the bow to decorate your dress. I really love this. And then I just glue some flowers on the bow. You could also put pearls. Wow, it looks so pretty. Do you think I'm adding too many flowers? I also added the gold leaf. The gold leaves just make the fan look even fancier. This is my old feather fan. So honestly, I don't really like the colors, but I don't have other fans. I put 5 flowers on this fan. You just decorate any way you like. And just like before, I made those bows and I put a long ribbons on it. So the length of ribbon is about 100 centimeter. And then I'll just sew the ribbon with the bow together. Wow, it's very pretty. You can also use it as your hair accessories. And then I use the gold ribbon wrap around the center and then glue the bow on the fan. If I have the individual pearls, I could also sew the individual pearls on. So the next DIY, I just hand sew the embroidered flower on my hanfu. It's better to hand sew than using the sewing machine. It's hard to use sewing machine to sew it. This is the result, and like I said before, I want to transform this dress to a Chinese style Lolita dress because the cutting is not really comfortable. So the color look great and it look pretty, but it doesn't shape my body. It makes my shoulder look wider. I pre-ordered a Chinese style Lolita dress. Very looking forward to try it out. My favorite in this video is the fan. This fan would match that dress. I will show you guys in the future videos. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you in next video soon.